Hello everyone, welcome back to another video of pullback indicators. So in today's video, I will be telling you the same strategy which we have used before also, and the strategy will be on the 4 candles closing only. Similar concept like 3 candles closing. Here, the colors of the candle doesn't make a difference because we are looking for 4 continuations candle on our specific key zones. And how to execute this strategy, that I will be showing you on the charts. So before starting this strategy, also would like to mention that I've seen that whenever the traders are getting their stop loss hunted, what are they doing is that they are simply leaving the entire trading. So I would just like to mention that stop loss hunting will be the part of the entire trading. One thing to keep in mind is that we only have to lose a very specific amount of money in this market, and we have to look for the bigger targets. For example, if I am losing 10 points, then my initial target should be of 20 points. Then only I will be having 10 points as a remaining balance, and I will be in a profitable situation. And also one thing to remember, that consistency also plays a very important role in this trading. So once your consistency has been generated in the market, then you will be in a profitable situation. So for using this specific strategy, I will use pullback indicators. You can just come here, just apply pullback indicators, just put super algo advanced version, press OK, and then it will be your indicator. It looks like this. Now let's start the strategy. Strategy is very much simple. Now remember, so now see, we are having one signal, that is buy call. Buy calls mean that we have to look for the long side, but immediately we got a reversal candle also. So what we can do is we can mark the low of this candle, and then we can mark the high of this specific candle, right? And if these two candles are very much nearby, then what you can do is, for less noise, you can simply make one simple bar, right? You can just join the high and the low of the specific candles, right? Signal candles and the reversal candles, you can join each other with the help of this bar. And now let's understand what is the logic behind this strategy. Just quickly, one thing to remember, that I have marked the high of the signal candle, that is buy call. This is the signal candle high, and this was the reversal candle, so it's the low which I have marked. So I have connected both of them with the help of this rectangle bar. Now quickly understand the strategy. Now what we have to do is, I just have to see the 4 candles closing, whether it's breaking the high of the buy call or whether it's breaking the low of this reversal candle. So initially what happened on this specific zone, I got the closing, right? 1, 2, 3, and 4. These 4 candles. These specific 4 candles I got here. One candle, second candle, third candle, and fourth candle. Right? Color is not a problem. So I got these 4 candles, and now I will look for the long side. Right? And soon as the 4 candles closed on the specific level, see such a good rally is being captured till here easily. And after trailing see such a massive amount of rally, this indicator has been provided to you. Target 1, this is already been generated by the system itself, right? And later on also the price went up. So this is the basic concept of the strategy. We only have to look for the 4 candles closing only, whether they are closing above the signal candle or they are closing below the reversal candles. This is the only simple concept of this specific strategy, right? Our stop loss will only get triggered if we get the 4 candles closing on the reversal candle, then only our stop loss will be getting triggered. So this we have to keep in mind. Till the time, initially we have to book 1:2, and then after trailing, whatever the market is giving, we will accept it. Let's see some more charts. In upcoming charts, I will show you the example of how we have to take the reversal trade also in this specific strategy. Right, now see what is happening here. I have already marked the level. So I got buy call signal on this specific zone, right? There was a red candle which has given a buy call signal. So I marked the high, as well as there was a quick small reversal candle also on this specific level. I marked the low of this candle, right? Not an issue. So now I have to look for the 4 candles closing. Now what happened initially? Initially what happened? I got the 4 candles closing. See, 1, 2, 3, and 4. These 4 candles, or 1, 2, 3, and 4. I can consider these 4 candles also. And after looking these candles, what I did, I just short the trade, right? So my entry and the logic of the strategy is totally correct, right? I took the short trade. But what happened? Immediately the price went up. See, price went sideways and then it came back on this specific zone. And this was the high of the signal candle. So what happened? I got again 4 closing, 1, 2, 3, and 4. So initially I booked a very small stop loss on this specific zone only. Now this is the reversal entry which I was talking about. Quickly I will take my reversal entry on this specific zone, and vice versa will happen if the price will again go down and will give the 4 candle closing. Now long side trade is been triggered just because I got the 4 candle closing. I was in a short trade. I exited my short trade very quickly and I quickly took the long trade now because I got once again the same setup. 1, 2, 3 and 4 candles just closed on the specific level and now this is my long side. And with the help of this indicator, see such a big rally is been captured again. So again target when we have achieved on the specific level, I would have entered here somewhere. And then this is the target which the indicator has been provided to us. Always remember that price will come down, right? You will see some little loss, but you don't have to exit the trade because from this level only the price will went up. And you can see the same thing happened in this specific zone. See what is happening here. So what was the rule of the strategy? That I got a signal candle here, right? This is the buy call candle and then this was the reversal candle. Let us just expand this specific zone, because this specific zone will be a very crucial point also, because SMC also gets generated on the specific zones. Now see what happened. I was just looking for the 4 candles. Initially I got 4 candles once again, 1, 2, 3 and 4. You consider this candle also, or you can consider these candles also, like 1, 2, 3 and 4. You got the 4 candles maximum times. You got the 4 candle closing many times on the specific above level. So now what we can do is you can do the long side. You just enter on the long side. You will see some profit also on this specific zone, but immediately the price went down. But you will not exit the trade very quickly, because the condition is we also need the 4 candle closing below this specific zone. Then only I will exit my trade. Now let's see, but the price went up, not an issue. I'm just looking for the 4 candle closing. Now yes, 1, 2, 3 and 4 candles I can consider this. Or you can also consider these candles also, 1, 2, 3 and 4. Immediately exit the trade from the specific zone and quickly re-enter a short trade, just because this is the setup of the short trading. The people who are looking for short side, they will get activate from the specific area once they will see the 4 candle closing on the specific zone. And see, such a big fall has been provided again by the same specific zone. Are you understanding this? This is the beauty of losing 10 points and then capturing a maximum 20, 30 points easily, right? And then see, after trailing also it fell more, and such a big reward again is been provided on this specific zone, again from this area to this area. This is about managing the stop losses, give small stop losses and capture for the bigger rallies, right? And it's a very simple strategy. Once you will start practicing it, it will be on your tips. Now see what is happening here. Now see, I got the signal on the specific zone. Now this is saying me to sell. So let me mark the signal. Now I can't see any reversal candle. So let me just mark the low of the specific zone, right? So now let's wait for the right direction and see, initially I got the short side and see, initially I got the 4 candles closing on the low of this specific zone, right? I got the low 1, 2, 3 and 4. These candles closed and then I can enter for my short side entry and see from here to here I got the reward. Now see, it's very important and understand this. See, the price went down, so maximum people have booked the profit here also, right? If they would have got 1:2, they would have booked. Now what happened? The price went up, right? But will I exit the trade? The answer is no, just because I am not having any 4 candle closing on this specific zone, and neither I am having my reversal candle also. So I won't be exiting right now. And then from the specific zone again 4 candles has been triggered, 1, 2, 3 and 4, and again there was an opportunity of short siding. So that's why once again the price went down from this level. Again a new short side entry got triggered, and then see, from here to here we got the reward. So this is a very simple strategy. Only you have to manage the stop losses. Initially you might get 1 stop loss triggered or 2 stop losses triggered, but once the rally will be there, you will get a very massive rally. Okay. And now for using this strategy, you would be needing a help of the indicator, that is pullback indicators, and for that you would be needing a subscription. We have already provided the subscription on the same description below in the same video. And for any query, you can directly message me on WhatsApp. Hope you have understood the direct and simple concept, that what we have to look for and how we have to manage the trades. We have explained all the strategies in our past videos also, so you can have a reference from there. And stay tuned for our next upcoming videos that we will be posting very soon. And thank you everyone for watching this video. Have a good day.